Hey guys, we're here at the Richmond Science Museum in Richmond, Virginia. We're gonna go inside and see what's going on in there. It's supposed to be a hands-on museum, so they got lots of cool things to do. Hopefully we can video inside. We're gonna try anyway. They also got this cool ball thing that kind of rolls on the water, so that's kind of neat. We're gonna go inside and see what we can find. I'm gonna render myself in 3D. Man. Oh, hang on a second.
That's terrifying.
Oh God, that is terrifying. Hang on.
Ew. That's a bad scene.
That is terrifying.
That's a bad scene. We're gonna just done that real quick. You're not supposed to touch it with your fingers, so don't use the sides.
Huh?
You're not supposed to use your fingers.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have this thing in my... I'm an idiot. It's 1972. 1 pixel count. Oh, that's nightmare fuel right there.
Oh, in 1972, there's nothing there. Ugly face.
Named for its bright yellow color and shape, is one of the largest in the world. Jockeyless seahorse. The seahorse, living in the middle and lower Chesapeake Bay, takes one mate for life. Racers to the starting line.
I'm going with Patrick Starfish.
Your bet.
I did too.
The flag is raised, and they're off. First out of the gate is Jockeyless Seahorse. Cascading Ketchup is moving in from the rear. Cascading Ketchup.
Oh, it's bullcrap.
Wins the race by a nose.
Maybe I can beat this machine. Let's find out.
I doubt it.
Ready?
I'm gonna go get it.
Hang on. Okay. All right. Hang on. Oh, almost.
Oh, Jesus Christ, dude.
What happens if I win against it?
Nothing. Alright. Ready? Ready?
Oh, I lost.
Now you
Okay. Water icon, Molly.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
How much water does it take to make a cheeseburger? Let's break the burger down by its ingredients. It takes 194 bottles of water to produce the bun. The cheese takes 63. The slice of tomato takes 11 bottles. The lettuce takes 7 bottles. But where's the beef? All the water that's needed to raise the cow, grow its food, and process the patty is nearly 4,600 bottles of water. That's almost 1, 2, 3 full water bottle walls.
Wow. All right, we're gonna make the band.
We are definitely no Beatles, that's for sure. No Beatles.
You are really bad at this. All right, here we go.
That beautiful song. That's the revolution over there. The distance revolution over there.
Oh, that is annoying as hell. Oh, Dance Dance Revolution. All right.
She looks nothing like Michael Jackson. You are such a white boy.
Horrible at this. I don't think this is the Thriller dance.
It's not.
Go, Molly. Oh, come on. Can't do it? All right, I'm going to try.
Nope.
Nope. Hang on. Hang on.
Almost.
Dome Depot. I don't know what the dome is, but I don't know if there's anything going on down there. Okay, guys, so that was our little trip to the Richmond, Virginia Science Museum. But it was fun. It gave us something to do. It wasn't horribly overpriced or expensive. So if you're looking for something to do in Richmond, Virginia for a couple hours, that works. We're gonna go hit up the Civil War Museum that I found. So we're gonna go check that out next. So let's go. Woo.